Error code H99. Indoor operating unit freeze protection. Error code H99 could be caused by impurities on air filters, evaporator and cross-flow fan, lack of refrigerant or leakage, unsuitable installation location. Prepare the necessary tools to troubleshoot this error code. Clean air filter, evaporator and cross-flow fan. Air filter, evaporator and cross-flow fan is located on the indoor unit. Clean the air filter. Clean the evaporator. Clean the cross-flow fan. After cleaning is completed, reassemble the filter, evaporator, and cross-flow fan. Check outdoor unit amp and refrigerant gas pressure. Press and hold the auto button on the air conditioner for 5 seconds until a beep is heard. Let the air conditioner operate for 10 minutes. Ensure measured amp is matching with rated amp value on nameplate. Ensure the gas pressure is within the range of 140 to 160 psi. Additional check. Check whether there is enough refrigerant gas or are there any leaks. If there is leaking, identify source and repair or replace defective parts. Erase error code from air conditioner memory. Make sure the air conditioner is in standby mode. Press and hold the auto button on the air conditioner for 5 seconds until a beep is heard. Press check button for 1 second and release it. To hear a beep sound, error code memory is erased.
Panasonic.